breakfast this morning. So I half ate it in those shits. I'm gonna cook it right there. It's gonna take a minute because I only welded 2 lines. I honestly don't know if this will work. Oh yeah, it's toasting up. Gotta make sure to get a nice even cook. Holy shit, it's working. I really doubt it's gonna like burn, like get nice and that cooked, because this is not hot enough, but it is that's hot. You can barely touch it for long, like long at all. Cheese isn't melting yet. Yeah, let it flip it. It might be a little bit dirty, but I'm just gonna be getting my vitamin metal